I know that Hustle Sweet fans will agree with me when saying that Faith really needed a new relationship. So I'm really glad that there's this new guy, Khulubuse. So ladies and gentlemen, Faith kissed with this guy, and now girl cannot live without Khulubuse. And I want us to talk about that and more here in this video. But before going to the video, I would like to request you to like it, and if you ain't subscribed, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down the channel so that you can watch my previous videos. And I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. So ladies and gentlemen, meet Khulubuse, a guy who is driving Faith crazy recently. So this guy, or in fact the character of Khulubuse, is played by William Dlala. I think we all know William Dlala. He's currently causing havoc there on Genesis, and I guess he's here to also cause havoc in Faith's heart. I don't know what his intentions about Faith are, but to me it looks like he's genuine and he really likes Faith, but then he's now playing hard to get. So what happened is that this guy came, he wanted Honor to design a dress for his daughter. So Honor designed the dress, and then there was a matric dance. The matric dance went on. After that, after the matric dance, it appears that the guy had left his heart there, because he came back again for Faith. And then after coming back, now he took Faith on a date. They went on a date. The date was beautiful and everything. And then after the date, then they kissed. After that, the guy just disappeared. Apparently, Faith is trying to call, and then the guy's not answering. And the guy is missing Faith, practically. So, Faith now is really stressed. I laughed so much watching this scene. So, this was Nkosi waking him. It appears that Faith decided to take a young nap. And then while she was taking that nap, Nkosi came and then tried waking her up. Faith was so angry. So, should Faith about the shallow Maria wake, Lomchita feeling a poop of Faith, I'm pinning alarms. Faith of Vuso Nkosi, she was so pissed when Nkosi woke her up. So I have nothing really much to share about this, ladies and gentlemen. Just that I'm really excited that Faith is in love, and then this guy is ghosting her. So I'm really excited to see what this relationship entails. Is it a real relationship, or is it something that is going to fade along the way? I don't know, but I don't think that it's going that far. I just think that Willie just came here to just spice things up. I don't know, because can't tell me that he's going to leave Genesis just to be on the house. It's impossible. So I think this guy is just here for maybe a few episodes and then he'll again leave. I don't know, but I'm really enjoying this plot. So ladies and gentlemen, comment in the comment section, share your thoughts and opinions with regard to this topic. And if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share it on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. And all of that being said, this is the end of this video, so let's engage again on the next one.